I felt accomplished, not in terms of piano performance, but more about uniting my heart with my Uyghur people. I wish I could do more. I wish I could cry more. I wish I could laugh more. But when I was performing, I kept switching from two states, reality and a dream. A dream of being back home, performing in front of my parents, family, and my friends. And a reality in which I was also performing in front of my people, who treats me like my own mother, father, my own grandparents, and accepts me as their son, as their brother, as their own family. Lullaby made me become a child again in front of them. All I knew was that my fingers were moving with the speed of my heartbeat. Sometimes slow, sometimes fast. But I was more worried that if I stopped playing, my heart would stop too, and I would die. What kept my heart moving was the audience. My soul was and still is worn out, tired and exhausted for 16 years. It was slowly putting itself back to original state recently, but it never will because of what's happening to my people back home. Because of the fact that I will not be able to reunite with my own parents for God knows how long. Thank you for making me feel safer, for making me feel alive, for making me feel special, for making me feel distant from death and closer towards life. Uyghur forever.